And look. And look.
What is that?
I gotta try it on. It's for warm weather, cold weather.
Medyo madilim. Sana na-appreciate nyo pa rin kahit pa paano.
That are here, volunteers, board members.
Wow.
There you go. Excellent. All right.
Good evening. So, nandito kami sa number 7 road dito sa Richmond para sunduin si Clark. Ay, sorry, si Calvin. Andito kami sa, ano to?
Mayfair Lake.
Mayfair Lakes. Dito ginanap yung kanilang winter formal event.
In about 1 kilometer, the
Ayan.
destination is on your right.
Parang siyang golf course.
Navigation.
Hindi kami parating napapadaan dito. Actually, hindi kami nadadaan talaga dito. Ngayon lang. Ayan, nasa golf course tayo. Medyo madilim. Grabe, sana man lang may mga street light sana. Ayan, ayan. Pero walang hindi nakabukas. Ayan, kanina kasi natinan ni Joyce si Calvin. Medyo maaga-aga, before 5. Hindi na tuloy ako nakasama. Medyo nagkayaan ng medyo maaga-aga yung mga magkakaibigan. Kaya hahabol tayo ngayon sa pagsundo naman sa kanya. Siyempre, malaking milestone yan para kay Calvin. Dapat yung mga ganyan alam mo na, nado-document natin bilang mga magulang. Gusto nating makita yan later on, mga na-experience ni Calvin na ganyan sa school. Ayan, nandyan na ata yung clubhouse. Malayo-layo din pala, no? Hindi mo pwedeng lakarin from the gate going to the actual event.
No. In your gown?
Yeah. Kanina nakita ni Joyce, meron pa ngang may nag-rent daw ng party bus. Ang chinarge doon sa mga students na gustong mag-ride ng party bus is $20 per head. Ayan, nakabukas na yung ilaw. Naglo-load na siguro ng mga estudyante. Gown-gownan. Ayan yung party bus na nakikita nyo ba? Ayan ultimate limousine. Kalagay sa gilid. Ayan sana mga... Uy, si Cal Uy, ayun na si Calvin. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How was it?
I'm so tired.
You're so tired.
You danced.
For an hour.
Did you eat?
What did you
Yeah,
dance
it
for?
was good food.
Good food?
You danced for an
Unlimited
hour?
steak.
May take-out?
They ate everything.
Ah, okay. May sinasabi si Cal, in-announce daw today. Meron kayong
Boat cruise.
Bawat season may event. Winter formal, boat cruise sa
Boat
spring.
cruise! Boat cruise! Wow! Pero parang version ng high school dance. Yan yung mga kapanahunan namin. High school dance. Yan ang tawag. Pero sa kanila, formal-formalan, kailangan naka-suit and tie. Tayo, low waist pants. Ikaw ba, ano sinunod mo nun? Nung high school dance?
Dress from our stands.
Wow! Sige, tuloy natin yung kuntan mamaya. Medyo madilim Ayan na ang ating pinatilyo. Uy, in fairness hindi nalukot yung polo mo. Ayan ang buhay ng mga magulang na may teenager na. Ayan ang ating mga nai-experience. Nag-Black Friday lang po siya.
Apo ka na! I will then close your eyes.
Close my eyes!
Yeah, ito na. Ang kataparan mga pangarap mo.
And look. And look.
What is that?
It's a
It's your
cat.
baby capybara.
Ilan siya ng capybara?
Yeah, the first capybara in the capybara evolution is baby capybara.
Yan. Okay, close your eyes.
Close your eyes. They're all capybaras.
Don't open until I tell you.
Then open your eyes. Okay?
And don't tell them what you see, Clark.
What is it, Clark?
Is it missing capybara?
Yes, it's a capybara. Tell them.
Wow, that
Okay, open.
Yeah.
What is
I.
this?
It's for your suit
Wow.
Yeah.
and for your office.
Yeah.
Different size.
They're wearing the same? Exactly the same? Wow.
You have to try it on. It's for warm weather, cold weather.
Yeah, this one I
Try it on. Don't remove the tag. This one I got for laundry.
Hello guys, nandito na tayo ngayon. Inaantay lang natin sila Mommy Daddy. Ayan. Festive Village. And ang sabi, 6:30 mag-Christmas light daw sila. Oh. Full scavenger hunt. Oh, may ganito pa sila. Punta tayo dun sa loob. Tiga Hal. Ayan, kasama natin si Calvin. Medyo madilim. Sana na-appreciate niyo pa rin kahit pa paano. Oo, nice. Special day today dahil may official Christmas tree lighting silang mangyayari. Anong oras na ba? May time ka sa'yo? Oh, 6:41. Ah, baka tapos na kasi 6:30 daw yun eh. Oh, wow.
We're not taking no.
Ito ang makikita dito, guys. In fairness, ang daming tao, ah. Let's go here.
That are here, volunteers, board members. You're going to see a lot more of them over by the carousel as well. Mika, do you want to say anything?
I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for being here and for your support. So please don't forget to buy your tickets. And thanks everyone. Bye for now.
Let's light the tree.
Okay, here's the time of the night where I'd like to invite Grant, Mayor. Ted, don't go too far. You need your magic wand. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and we're all going to say, "Make it bright in Burnaby," and we're going to look up over here at this big tree. Okay, are we ready? You ready with our wands? 1, 2, 3. Make it bright in Burnaby. Whoa! Thank you, everyone. Have a safe and happy holiday season.
So, bale, kung gusto nyong makakuha ng medyo magandang parking spot, magpaikot-ikot kayo, tsatsagain nyo lang. Kasi pag may lumalabas naman, nagpapasok naman sila. Yun nga lang, talagang tsambahan lang. Kapareho namin, noong unang daan namin, pinaikot kami. And then, after, naka-U-turn kami, nagsubok kami ulit, pinapasok na kami. Talagang tsambahan lang talaga. Kung gano'ng kadami yung pumapasok, gano'n din naman kadami yung lumalabas. Wala na sa mood yung... Wala na sa mood si Clark. Nakatulog kasi sa sasakyan eh. Ito naman, para siyang train. So you can sit inside the train. Oh, the entrance is on this side pala. Exit pala yun. Yun pala yung entrance eh. Nung going inside. Doon, tsaka doon sa gazebo. Ayan, may mga Christmas balls. Wow! Ito, restaurant to, malamang. Ayan, restaurant yan. Hindi na tayo makapagsalita ng tuloy-tuloy kasi sa sobrang lamig. Alam mo yung tipong parang naninigas mo yung pisngi mo. Look at that. Oh, nice. Take a photo. Ganda. Ayun yung tree kanina na light up nila. Yes. Ayan, pasukin natin yung sinaunang post office. Ayan natin sa loob. Oh. What is this? Oh, ito yung bank. This is what the bank looks like before. Nakakatuwa lang no, na pin-reserve nila yung mga ganitong klaseng areas na nasa-showcase nila sa mga ganitong klaseng event. May photo shoot with the Santa? Was it Santa? Ito yung mga sinuunang makina o yung mga, alam ko tawag dyan, lathe eh. O diba? Laki, grabe no? Ang laki pala ng older version ng lathe. Ito, drill press. O, diba? Medyo nakaka-relate tayo dahil alam natin yung mga ganyang klaseng, exposed tayo sa mga ganyang klaseng machines.
Excellent. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So,
Merry Christmas.
you would put that over there? Put it on the table, okay?
Libreng picture with Santa. Walang masyadong pila. Grabe. Talagang umuusok yung bibig namin sa lamig. Ayan, o, tingnan nyo to. Oo, diba? Ayan yung pathway. Sana sa Richmond magkaroon din ng ganito. Dito, ito regular ito sa Burnaby. Yearly, laging mayroong ganito. Ito yung parang fini-feature nila. I-walking tour na lang namin kayo. Medyo hirap talagang magsalita eh. What is this? Sheet metal. Oh, it's a shop. Metal shop. And then dry goods. And then, oo nga, umikot na tayo. Ayan yung mga bahay, yung mga sinaunang bahay. Merong basement at saka merong school pala. Excited magbukas.
Can you find the 9 difference?
What? You show them. What's the 9 difference? Oh,
The tongue, not the teeth.
yeah. Good job. Kasi naman din palang spot the difference sa ilalim. Pakita niyo. What's it? This one, no? That's a game. Ayan, spot the difference.
Yeah.
Today is December 1. Yeah, looking forward to opening number 1. But first, you need to finish your chicken.
The fried chicken.
Yes. Okay. Chew that first and then you can open number 1. Okay? Look what's written here, oh. There's a warning sign. It says, high in saturated fat and sugar. Requirement na yan dito sa Canada eh. Pagka high in fat or high in sugar, meron na
Wait,
siyang
fat
warning.
is a bad word.
Yeah. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Wait. Ooh.
Why is it not working?
Huh?
Why is it not working?
Is it not working? Here. I'll help you. There. See, I opened lightly. And then you open the rest.
What's inside, huh?
Oh.
There.
It's Henry.
Then you lift
Henry's.
it.
It's Hershey's, not Henry's.
Henry,
Tell you what's in making me.
nurses.
Need more help? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because this.
What's inside? Ooh.
We got our first prize.
Yes, that's your first prize.
I got this.
Yeah. Which one did you get? This one, right?
Yeah, because I got the kisses.
Kisses. Yes.
It's kiss.
Ay, si Joyce pa bumili ng cover. Kulang pa nga po kaya
Chocolate.
tatlo po ata yung kulang. Opo. Ooh, is it yummy?
Yeah.
Kasama natin si Clark. We're at the pet shop now.
Yeah. We're a pet.
Let's look.
You
Let's
see.
look at the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I look at
What do you want to look?
capybaras.
There's
they're so
no capybara here. Only dogs and cats. Look, there's a Santa costume for a dog. Huh?
Do you want
Naghahanap ng capybara dito eh. Tayo naman magtitingin ng isda. Baka meron pang Cyber Monday or Black Friday na natitirang deal. Ito yung mga fish. Look at this!
What are those?
Those are birds.
What do birds eat?
Birds, yeah.
They eat bird food.
Yeah.
Look at every single column with numbers.
Yeah. Look at this. Orange, right?
4, 8, 3, 82, 81.
This one. What about this? Yellow, right?
Orange.
Yellow, red, and black.
What kind?
Let's look here.
Yellow.
There's more here, see?
Look.
Hello guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pinagkakaabalahan natin. May bago tayong nakakahiligan eh. Kung meron tayong tinatawag na plantito at plantita. Tayo naman may tinatawag na plantito, plantita pero sa loob ng aquarium. Ayan. So nagtanim tayo ng mga halaman. Not really nagtanim pero naglagay tayo. Ito tinanim natin to. Ito tinali natin sa coral rocks. And then ito naman floating siya pero enclosed. Yan. Diba? Simula na naglagay tayo niyan, mas luminaw yung tubig natin para sa ating alagang flower horn. Pati yung kulay niya nag-improve. O, diba? Parang nakukuha niya lahat ng impurities. I mean, yung halaman, kinukuha niya lahat ng impurities ng tubig. Pero, nilalagyan pa rin natin siya ng dechlorinator or pangtanggal ng chlorine. Yun lang. No, tinitipid pa rin natin siya pagpangtanggal ng chlorine para bago tayo maglagay ng tubig. So once a week nagpapalit tayo ng tubig. At least siguro 25%. Yan, o 25% palit yan. Yan. Tapos kanina, kasama natin si Clark. Bumili tayo nitong sword plant. Yan, tatanim natin yan. Meron na tayong natago. Ito, kakuha lang natin to actually sa giveaway sa wedding eh. Tinago natin, 'di ba? Maliit na paso. Dalawa to eh, pero isa lang muna gagamitin natin. Try lang natin to, sword plant. Hardy plant din daw to, yun nga lang. Medyo mas aggressive siya sa pangangailangan ng nutrients sa soil. So sabi nila, the recommendation is gumamit ng root tabs every 1 to 2 to 3 months maximum. Yan. So yan yun. Tapos eto, nakuha natin sa PetSmart for $7.99. So with tax parang nasa $9. Ito namang isa, mahirap i-pronounce yung pangalan. Susawartang. Parang gano'n, no? Lalagay ko dyan sa screen nyo. Ayan. Ilalagay din natin siya. Pero iniisip ko pa kung paano ko siya ilalagay dito. Ayan. So, unahin na muna siguro natin itong sword plant. Pakita ko sa inyo yung gagamitin nating soil para doon sa ating maliit na paso. So yung ginamit nating soil para maitanim yung una nating mga plants.
Dad.
Yes?
Yeah, because I give up in the Pittsburgh because there are no capybaras in PetSmart.
There's no, naghahanap kasi siya ng capybara sa PetSmart. Anyway, ito yung gamit nating soil. Fluval, bio... Anong pangalan nito? Biostratum. Yan. Maganda daw ito. May beneficial bacteria na kaagad siya. Stimulates strong plant growth, enhance biological activity, at saka ideal for fine and delicate root system. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ang gagawin natin para maitanim natin siya. Para sa inyong mga interested na mga magtanim ng halaman sa mga sari-sarili lang aquarium, you know, beginner lang to, kaya napasensya na kung hindi naaayon sa mga expertise nyo, no? Pero comment down below kung halimbawa man may nalalaman kayo sa pagtatanim sa loob ng aquarium, no? Valuable yung input nyo kasi first time natin tong gagawin eh. Nailagay na natin. Pakita ko sa inyo, hindi man perfecto, pero at least nailagay natin. Ito yung nasa paso. Yan, ito yung sa atin. Naisip ko una ihang siya. That's why may hook na ganyan sa ilalim. Pero nung pagkahang ko, biglang kumalat siya eh. Umabot dito. So, kita nyo, meron pang mga floating na natira. Pero kinakain nung flower horn. So, hindi ko na tinanggal. Ayan, para meron siyang buffet hanggang mamayang gabi. Yan yung pagkain niya. Anyway, iwan ko muna yan ng as is. And then, obserbahan ko. Meron pa nga actually natira. Yan yung mga iba kong nag-float. So, ilalagay ko na lang muna yan sa vase or sa container. Kung nasaan naman yung pinapalaki ko na hornwort. So, doon ko siya ilalagay para mabilis din lumaki. And then, magre-replenish na lang ako as needed. At saka kung makaisip ako ng panibagong way kung paano ko siya ilalagay dito sa aquarium, tsaka ako na lang siya ibabalik o dadagdagan. But so far, yan ang itsura niya. So, this is like the planted side. And then, ito yung parang pinaka-aquarium. Siya na yung nagsaserve as a filter na rin sa tubig natin.
The city of mine, it never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of